What's going on, everyone? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about AI affiliate marketing and how you can make $100 a day. Now, if you're brand new, you're a beginner, you're in the right place, I'm going to show you step by step how to get started. But first, go ahead and subscribe and comment AI in the description, and then I'm going to send you over the digital playbook for free. And what the digital playbook is it has everything you need as far as access to a free course right here. Let's go ahead and let this load real quick. Free course, done for you emails, done for you IG reels that my team has put together. Click here, you can download them. Long forms, most importantly, a list of over 150 AI tools that you can start getting paid to promote. And then other things that you can see down here. So go ahead and like, subscribe, comment AI, and then I'll be able to send you all this right now. But now let's get into the video. So back to the whiteboard. So first thing, a Google Sheet, which is, you can get that at digitalplaybook.com. Then you want to select an AI tool. So all these AI tools, you can get paid to promote through affiliate marketing. The one that I am going strong on right now is Go High Level, because I really like their affiliate program, but also Descript is one that I am promoting as well. And that is what I use to record, clip, do everything as far as video. That's what I'm recording this video on right now. All these in the top picks is what I would recommend getting started with. Going back to the board, replicate content. So by replicate content, basically meaning taking one of these IG reels, downloading it, and then posting it to social media. So the main thing is we are wanting to drive traffic to these links, content creation, and posting these to your different social media platforms. So download one of these and then upload it into Go High Level, which I'm about to show you. And then, like I said, send traffic and then automate and repeat. So let's go from step one. You want to go to digitalplaybook.com. Boom. Click here, enter in your information. And then here's just a little explainer video, kind of going a little bit more in depth. This is where you'll get the 30-day free trial to Go High Level. That's basically the backend software that allows you to schedule all your content, send out emails, and basically track everything. I do have a Discord community if you want to join there. That's where you'll be able to access me and ask me questions. So go here, then you're going to want to click here, and that'll take you to Go High Level, which you can sign up. It's 30 days. So the whole point is for you guys to start seeing results before the 30 days. So once you sign up, you'll get taken to a screen that looks like this. And this is basically the dashboard. You'll see on the left-hand side, we have conversations, calendars, opportunities. The three ones that I'm going to be talking about a lot today are just going to be marketing, automations, and sites. So marketing, that's where the social planner is, which allows you to schedule the content. Then under automations, that's where the email sequences are. And then sites, that's where we're going to be able to create our funnels. Good thing is, if you get the digital playbook, I give you access to a snapshot. A snapshot is basically, we're able to take my account and import that into your Go High Level account. So for you to do that, just click here. It's going to take you to something where it says import. Now I've done this, so I'm not going to actually click import, but what you're going to do is it's just going to pop up. It's going to say import. You're going to click that, and then it's going to create a whole new sub account or an account, which is what you see right here. So once you do that, then you'll be taken to a screen like this, which is the Go High Level account. And it is going to have all of my automations and stuff already in here. So what you'll see when you import the snapshot is these down here, right here. the Facebook automation, the Instagram automation, affiliate, the new email opt-in, and the new trial. This one right here is the most important one because this is the one that when someone signs up for whichever affiliate link or whichever funnel you are promoting, this is where they're going to get imported into. And then every day they're going to start getting emails like this. In here, you'll see a highlighted little link to where when they get sent an email, it goes to your affiliate link. But you see right here a custom value. What that means is that I'm about to show you where in settings, you put your own affiliate link and then it populates your link. So how you get to that point is we're going to go back to the main dashboard. You're going to go to settings. Scroll down, custom values. Create new custom value. Affiliate link, name it whatever you want. And then right here is where you would put your affiliate link. Let's just go high level for an example. Pretty much all these softwares, or when you go to their website, and if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, they're going to have something where it allows you to become an affiliate and sign up. So for example, on this website, if you scroll down, affiliate program, become an affiliate, and that is going to take you to signing up, and that it'll give you a link. So you got the affiliate link. Now you need content. So you're going to go back to the digital playbook, or if I say digital playbook, Google Sheet, it's the same thing. That's just what I call the playbook or the Google Sheet, and just pick any one of these in the Drive link. So what my team has done is over here, you'll see top creators and videos that they have gotten a bunch of views and comments on. So the whole point is we are wanting to create not just any type of content, but a short form content that is going to engage people to like, comment, and share, so that boosts engagement. So let's just take this one for an example. Boom. So when they say read caption, they're going to read the caption and it's going to say something like comment, learn, for me to learn more. So when they comment, that boosts engagement, and then that allows you to send them or direct message them your funnel. So what a funnel is basically that second page that I showed you guys. So something like this is what you would send them to. And I give you this inside the snapshot. It's not going to look exactly like that, but it's going to be a basic version. If you want that one, just message me in Discord and I can definitely send that over to you guys. But if we go over here to sites and then we go to this one, it's just a basic template version of that. So as you see up here, how to earn money online, then some type of just long form video, because they're going to be coming from short form, and then boom, link to your affiliate link. So let's say you download on repurpose like 7 videos. We're going to go up here to marketing. And this is going to take us to our social planner. Right here, I have some of my accounts. You can schedule out content. You'll be able to see in the past what I have uploaded or scheduled out. But the whole point of this is just automating the whole process. So if you can take one day out of the week where you're able to create content and schedule all this out, it really helps you stay consistent. And that is just the name of the game. Is you got to pick a path, don't miss, and consistently do the boring stuff over and over again. So upload all this, goes out on social media, and you start getting engagement, and then you automate and repeat, which is the last step. Now, I ran through that pretty quickly, but like I said before, if you want to get this digital playbook, just go to digitalplaybook.com or join the Discord, which will be in the link below. So questions, comments, and concerns, let me know. But this is by far my favorite business model to start earning and making money online. Happy money making.